Okay, so we stripped out a lot of the garden and we're just putting in the foundations, digging the foundations. We've dug down to basically our depths for our patio and stuff. We've currently run out of room, so we've got an awful lot of waste to be removed, which will happen on Monday, and then we can basically get the hardcore materials in. So the boys are just finishing tidying up the trench going down the side there. That's going to be the foundation for the wall. We found an awful lot of sand down there, so we're digging further than we would normally to remove the sand so we can get to a solid base. Okay. Okay, we've dug out the area, reduced the height. We've got the MOT Type 1 base in, ready for compaction. That's where the patio is going to go. We've also just laid our foundations today with the rebar for the retaining walls. So they'll start to be constructed tomorrow. And down here, which you can't see, there's another small foundation for the retaining wall between the patio and the decking. Okay, it will provide the separation between the two. Beautiful February day. The sun is shining and the boys are having fun. Okay, thank you. Okay, welcome back. On a very chilly February morning, we're waiting for the temperatures to rise. It is currently about 1 degree C. We do not lay paving until it's at least 3 degrees C and rising. We managed to do quite a bit yesterday of the new paving. Now this is a porcelain, it's Bradstone Mode porcelain. Beautiful product, I have to say, absolutely lovely. Cleans really well. The benefit of porcelain is it won't go green over time, or if you get a bit of algae on it, you can jet wash it off and it turns out perfectly clean. Basically it's like a kitchen floor. We've also got our retaining walls in now, so they've all been in. There is frost fleece over everything. We put these over at night just to protect it. We got our area for our day bed, you can now see, and more of the wall in there. So progress has been good, slightly slow, caused by the weather, and also it is a small site, so we can only do so much in a day before we have to get out. Otherwise we're going to start walking over the stuff we've already done. But it's going to look stunning when it's finished. We've also got the deck in. Just swing you round. One of these for the bad editing. We've also got our deck structure in. Let's see here. So you can see part of our deck structure going across. We've put some ply on top of it so we can walk on it. We're going to be using the SAiGE decking, this charcoal decking you can see here. Beautiful composite decking, comes with a 10 years warranty, should last, they reckon, 25 years. It's put on a timber structure, as you can see there. Posts are put into the ground and will be concreted into place, so it'll be very stable. We put this, because this is a domestic environment, the distance between the timber is 450 millimetres and we use 150 mil thick timber. This gives you a nice solid deck. This thing isn't going to go anywhere. Okay, so it's March. I was going to do the rendering of the walls today, but I don't know if you can see, but it's decided to snow. We've had a good clean down. We've got our SAiGE decking here now, which is looking lovely in the charcoal, and we've got our Bradstone Mode paving, which is a porcelain paving, which is beautiful. This is the silver grey. We've also done some planting of the borders, so we've got some nice lavender, so that's going to be a big lavender bed there. And over on this side, camera catch up, we've got formia and some various perennials. Okay, and if we swing over here,
what we'll do is we'll move you over here. So we've got another SAiGE decking to get onto the shed. This area is where the day bed's going to be, so we'll be finishing that with the SAiGE decking as well, both in the charcoal colour. We're just waiting to render these walls. The walls have coping stones on, which is the same mode paving from Bradstone. And the borders have been planted, beautiful acer over here, so planted with some grasses, heucheras, and various perennial flowers. And we did a bit of pruning on the tree just to give it a bit more shape. We've also done this slatted privacy around. There's a big garage behind us, so just trying to hide the stuff, all the cars that are basically in the car park behind us. Okay, so that's the update. Hopefully our next update will be the walls are done, everything's clean, and we're on our way home. So ain't going to be today though with this snow. Okay, thanks. Okay, so we're finishing the Weber render today. This colour is called ivory. We applied this coat yesterday. Because of the temperatures, we needed to leave it overnight to go off to what they call a green state, which is basically hard but not completely hard. And we were finishing it off with this scraper, which buffs out any imperfections and leaves a lovely finish. So that's our finished surface, which is a really nice texture. The other benefit of this stuff is it will last longer than sand and cement mix, which is normal render, which generally over time will fail and blow out with the frost. So this is a better option. Okay, so we've finished in Barnet. The lighting has now been put in. Everything else has been completed. We're just cleaning up and tidying away. You can see the SAiGE decking, the charcoal stuff in the background, and then this beautiful mode paving from Bradstone, which is a porcelain. And if I swing you around this way, you can see the rendered walls, the day seat, and the render is a Weber product, which is a beautiful product, and that's in an ivory colour.